Let's see one more program which is frequently asked to beginners who are giving the interviews for any Python coding or even any type of beginner's profile of test automation. This is very basic program to check whether the given year is leap year or not. So we want to find out if the year is leap year or not. So what exactly is leap year? So we can check if a year is a leap year using following rules. If the year is evenly divisible by 4, then it can be a potential leap year. But there is one more condition. If the year is evenly divisible by 100, it is not a leap year unless the year is evenly divisible by 400 as well. In this case, it will be a leap year. So if you want to summarize the conditions, year should be divisible by 4 except the years which are divisible by 100 unless they are also divisible by 400. Now let's see programmatically how we can append this condition in our program and to check whether the given year is leap year or not. So now let's go to PyCharm. Let's create a new Python file. I'm naming it as leap year. So first let's define one year. So I want to check whether year 2020. So let's append the condition. So first we have to append the if condition. If inside this if, first condition is year should be divisible by 4. So year should be divisible by 4. That means we can use mod operator and it should give, if it is totally evenly divisible by 4, then it will return 0. So year mod 4 should be exactly 0, and along with that, and year mod 100 should not be equal to 0, because if it is divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. So even if year is divisible by 4, and along with that it should not be divisible by 100. It should not be evenly divisible by 100. So these are the first condition. And apart from that, it can be possible that if year is divisible by 400, then also it is a leap year. Or another condition is year which is divisible by 4, evenly divisible by 4, and if its mod operator, then it will give 0, right? It should be evenly divisible by 400. If so, just understand the conditions here, guys. First condition is year should be evenly divisible by 4. That means it should return 0 for the modulus operator operation. And there is one more condition along with that. If the year is evenly divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. So that's why we are using not equals to 0 condition. So we are checking that it should not be evenly divisible by 100 if it is evenly divisible by 4 as well. So both the conditions should match. It should not be evenly divisible by 100 and it should be evenly divisible by 4. This is the first set of condition, and along with that we have another condition, that is actually OR condition. If the year is evenly divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. These are the conditions which we want to check. And if all these condition matches, so either this condition can match or these two conditions can match. If one of them is matched, that means our year is leap year. So I am simply printing year comma is leap year, and else if any one of these condition fails, that means that year is not a leap year. If any one of the condition fails, that means year is not leap year. So now let's execute this program. So 2020 is actually a leap year. So let's execute this. We can see it is a leap year. 2000 also a leap year. If I execute this, we will see 2000 is also a leap year. If you see 1900, this is not a leap year. This is not a leap year. Even 1800, this is also not a leap year. 1600, is it a leap year? Yes, because 1600 is divisible by 400. That's why it's a leap year. 2100, is it a leap year? Let's execute. It is not a leap year. So this is how we can check whether the year is leap year or not by using simple Python program. Thank you for watching this video.